I'm even making it in pill form.
Very clever, boss.
Here, use this to back up my presentation right away. Once the board members are under my control, there's nothing left in the way. With everyone under my power, we'll see who laughs at me then. Children will be well behaved. The city will be well organized. I could do anything. I could rule the world. This plan must work. I can't go back.
Back to what, boss?
It was horrible. Diapers. Bottles. Lullabies. Oh, that baby smell. Ugh.
Okay guys, so I finally got it. I went into the woods to get some better audio reception, and Principal Gordon was reciting lines 331 to 342 of The Tales of Natasha the Splicer. Now, Natasha the Splicer was a Swedish tyrant who ruled in 1316, and she built secret tunnels all across her country, and she communicated using smoke signals and the chords on a ukulele. So this, combined with the fact that I've been researching the school's maps for quite some time now, is I'm pretty sure Principal Gordon has built some sort of secret chamber at the bottom of the school, and we have at least three ways to get in there right now.
Natasha the Splicer, are you serious?
No, we can get in. I can get in here, Jason, and then we just need...
Jason.
I can't do it by myself. I need you guys. Ted, come on. I mean...
Sorry, I'm gonna take a bath.
Lorraine, we can't do it without the...
Jason, I don't have time for your little conspiracies. I have to get back to the real world.
We have to do this.
I can't go along with this one. I'm sorry.
I have been taught that life is fraught with consequence and nonsense and stuff. Though it seems these weakening beams bend and break for no one's sake. It's
butterflies were just like spinning in circles, and it took them a really long time to figure that out. I don't know how people figure these things out. It's just like they have a lot of time on their hands. I think that would be nice to have that kind of time on your hands. I could get a lot more done. If everyone's a robot, that'd be really cool. But then you have to design the robots, and they would have to have like different kinds of hair and different kinds of things. But if you melted them down when they got too old and obsolete, then it's also sort of like a form of Soylent Green, except for you're not actually eating the other people because the people are robots, but you're just being made out of them. But would the robots actually care since the robots aren't?
Hello, Lorraine. How are you today?
Stanley?
So, what's your opinion of the school's new Go Green program, Lorraine?
It's fine. Good for the planet.
Ah. So, you're very environmentally friendly?
I recycle. I compost.
Fascinating. So, Lorraine, what do you recycle?
Paper, plastic bottles, the basics.
How very intriguing. Simplistic, but intriguing.
Don't you have somewhere to be, like writing out detentions for freshmen or something?
Lorraine, I know for a fact that you're not doing anything at 3 o'clock in the afternoon Saturday, so would you